Welcome to Awan Industries.
Space is not silent. It is a vast canvas of violent physics, crushing gravity, and absolute zero temperatures. We have journeyed through the diamond rains of Neptune and survived the toxic abyss of Uranus. But now, as we continue our steady descent inward, the pitch-black darkness gives way to a staggering golden glow. Welcome to another cinematic journey by Awan Industries. Before us lies the undisputed crown jewel of the cosmos, a world so mesmerizingly beautiful that it has captivated humanity since the dawn of astronomy. Yet, it is so violently chaotic that it defies our understanding of physics. This is Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun, a colossal gas giant spinning in the freezing dark, draped in a massive graveyard of shattered moons, and harboring atmospheric storms so massive they could swallow the Earth. Beneath its serene, pale yellow bands lies a world of terrifying extremes, supersonic winds, and gravitational paradoxes. Today, we peel back the layers of the solar system's most iconic planet. Prepare your telemetry. We are descending into the rings. To truly understand Saturn, you must understand its sheer scale. With a diameter of over 72,000 miles, Saturn is the second largest planet in our entire solar system. You could fit over 700 Earths inside it, with room to spare. Its terrifying gravitational pull commands at least 146 confirmed moons, forming a miniature solar system in its own right. But here is where the laws of physics begin to fracture. Despite its gargantuan size, Saturn holds a bizarre, impossible title. It is the least dense planet in the entire solar system. Its density is remarkably lower than that of liquid water. In the astrophysics community, there is a famous analogy. If you could somehow find a cosmic bathtub large enough to hold the entire solar system, Saturn is the only planet that would float. How can a world so massive be so incredibly light? The answer lies in its anatomy. Saturn has no solid surface. None at all. It is a swirling ocean of gas, composed of 94% hydrogen and 6% helium, tainted with traces of methane and ammonia. If you were to fall into Saturn, you would never hit the ground. There is no crust to stand on. Instead, you would plunge endlessly through thousands of miles of dense, crushing gas. As you fall deeper into the abyss, the temperature and pressure become so intense that hydrogen gas compresses, transforming into superheated liquid metal. Down here, in this absolute darkness, metallic hydrogen flows like a conducting ocean. This liquid metal core generates a magnetic field 600 times more powerful than Earth's. You would not simply be crushed, you would be liquefied, disintegrated, and integrated into the planet's electric heart. From a safe distance, Saturn appears calm. Its golden bands look painted on, like a peaceful marble hanging in the void. But this tranquility is a cosmic illusion. Saturn's upper atmosphere is one of the most violent environments in the universe. That pale yellow color you see is actually a thick haze of frozen ammonia crystals, masking the terror below. Beneath this serene outer veil, the weather is governed by absolute chaos, because Saturn completes a full day in just 10.5 hours. Its equator bulges outward into space. This rapid rotation creates a ferocious Coriolis effect, fueling equatorial jet streams. On Earth, a Category 5 hurricane generates winds of around 157 miles per hour. On Saturn, the equatorial winds scream at a staggering 1,100 miles per hour. That is faster than the speed of sound. These supersonic gales drive massive storm systems that tear through the planet's bands. Every 20 to 30 years, Saturn experiences the Great White Spot, a planetary thunderstorm with lightning 10,000 times more powerful than anything recorded on Earth. A single flash possesses enough energy to vaporize a modern city in a fraction of a second. But the true and settling mystery lies at its extreme North Pole. When Voyager probes first flew past Saturn, they captured a blurry image that made astrophysicists freeze. When Cassini returned with high-definition cameras, the terrifying reality was revealed. It is a storm, but it is not a circle. It is a perfect, symmetrical, six-sided hexagon, spanning roughly 20,000 miles across, wide enough to fit almost 3 Earths inside. This geometric nightmare is a jet stream of toxic gas whipping around the pole at hundreds of miles per hour. At its center lies a dark, bottomless vortex, descending deep into the gas giant. In nature, fluid dynamics dictate that storms should be circular. To find a perfect hexagon permanently etched into the atmosphere is a jarring defiance of expected physics. Scientists believe it is caused by stationary atmospheric waves, creating a stable geometric pattern, but still, seeing a massive, churning hexagon staring back at you from the void looks less like a weather pattern and more like colossal alien engineering. We cannot look at Saturn without addressing its defining feature, the rings. No other planet commands a system of rings quite like Saturn. They are the most complex ring system in the solar system, stretching outward for 175,000 miles. Yet, they are impossibly, almost dangerously thin. In most places, the main rings are no thicker than a single story of a building, roughly 30 feet thick. If Saturn were the size of a basketball, its rings would be thinner than a single strand of human hair. From Earth, they look like solid tracks of glowing vinyl. But they are not solid at all. The rings of Saturn are a beautiful, glittering graveyard. They are composed of billions of individual pieces of pure water ice, ranging from microscopic grains of dust to floating mountains the size of skyscrapers. These chunks of ice orbit at blistering speeds, constantly colliding and shattering in a chaotic ballet driven by gravity. Roughly 100 million years ago, around the time dinosaurs roamed Earth, Saturn had a large, icy moon. But this moon wandered too close to the gas giant. It crossed the Roche limit, the boundary where a planet's tidal forces tear moon apart. In a catastrophic event, Saturn's immense gravity shredded the moon into the void, trapped forever in orbit to form the bright rings we see today. When you look at Saturn, you are looking at the pulverized corpse of a destroyed world. The rings are divided into thousands of distinct ringlets, separated by dark, empty gaps. The most famous is the Cassini division, a void nearly 3,000 miles wide. These gaps are maintained by shepherd moons. Tiny moons like Pan and Daphnis act as gravitational snowplows, carving perfect gaps through the surrounding rings. As they pass, they create vertical waves, pulling chunks of ice miles into the air, casting long shadows across the ring plane. Then, there is the F-ring, a chaotic, braided structure of ice that seems to knot around itself, warped by the gravity of Prometheus and Pandora. The physics of the rings are so mathematically complex that observing them is like watching a galactic clockwork mechanism in real time. But this breathtaking beauty is temporary. The rings of Saturn are dying. A tragic phenomenon known as ring rain is slowly pulling the ice down into Saturn's atmosphere. Gravity drags the ice down at a rate of 22,000 pounds every single second. At this terrifying rate, the iconic rings will be completely gone in less than 100 million years. We exist in the exact, narrow window of time to witness Saturn at its most beautiful. In the distant future, Saturn will look like just another bare, golden sphere in the dark. Saturn is a paradox of serene beauty and chaotic violence. a massive ocean of metallic gas, crowned by the shattered remains of its past. But the story does not end with its rings. In part 2 of this Awan Industries documentary, we will leave the dying rings behind and land on the moons of Saturn. We will descend through the smoggy atmosphere of Titan, a world with flowing rivers and lakes made of liquid methane. And we will crack through the icy shell of Enceladus, where a warm underground ocean is spraying water directly into deep space, an ocean that might harbor alien life. The true secrets are waiting in the dark. Thank you for exploring the cosmos with Awan Industries. If you found this journey eye-opening, ensure your telemetry is locked onto our channel. Like, subscribe, and prepare your systems for the next phase of our descent. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars.